it's raining here today. Kind of dirty. Flow gauge in Canada made them steps. They were custom made for this truck. There's them Dynaflex pipes. As you can tell, they're hooked up. They're 6 inch. Got Michelin tires all the way around. I put projector headlights in it. I got the stock headlights at home, but BTS Lighting up in Canada made them. They're $1,100 a piece, $2,200 for the set. Glow gauge made that bumper. That box right there has got storage in it. That's an old school Kenworth box. Raises up and there's storage in there.